Hi there, I'm Todd Antrim with the Grand Traverse Hiking Club.
And I'm John Hyam, also with the Grand Traverse Hiking Club.
Our club here in Traverse City maintains 100 miles of trail through the forest.
The North Country Trail Association, which is the governing organization,
Has many chapters, and we maintain 5,000 miles of trail. And it's all done by volunteers.
so if you think mowing your yard is a lot of work, think about maintaining 5,000 miles of trail and talking people into doing it for you. That's the job of the North Country Trail Association. And so we're always looking for ways to make the work of our volunteers easier. And we've been invited here by Orec America to take a look at their equipment and see if it would help us in our job of maintaining the trail.
Today we're going to show you how to use the track Cyclone. Down here I have a gas shutoff. Make sure the gas is open. Put your choke all the way up to full. Put the throttle to about midway. Then pull the recoil start. To engage the flails, all right, once the machine is running, depress the red lever and pull the clutch lever.
So what is the actual cutting height of the flail blades? You said this was the adjustment point.
Correct. So the machine will cut down to 2 inches and you can adjust it up to 4-inch height. This is the Cyclone wheeled version. It has agricultural tires. Now underneath, if you push the black flaps back, you can see the 38 flail blades. And what actually happens with that, it actually acts kind of like a wood chipper.
So this machine is basically identical to that except for the drive system, is that right? This has the wheels versus the tracks?
Correct. Basically with the track system and the way that that is mounted on the machine, we're able to put an optional sulky on. As you can see, the transmission lever is up on the top on that machine. On this one, the transmission lever is down here. So again, unfortunately, we can't put the sulky on here, but everything else remains the same. Same cutting height, same flail system.
All right, enough of your talking. Let's go use these things.
I couldn't agree more. Let's go.
It's actually fun. Like I say, I don't think we're going to have any problems getting volunteers to use these things for sure. You can go through basically little trees, like 8-foot tall trees. They're 1.5 inches in diameter, and you're just banging through them. Pretty awesome.